Okay, so we've got our latest delivery from MuscleNation. We're going to go through a cool full bundle of what we've got in here. So what have we got in the box? One cat. Cats love boxes for some reason, so that's obviously not from MuscleNation. But we have now got this, which is an awesome delivery. So we'll take you through what we've got in here. So we've got several different tracksuits, long sleeve tops. Obviously winter in Australia at the moment, and we've got the winter, sadly enough, coming up in the UK now, so we're going to take you through what we'll be looking to wear this winter. We've got new Traxxy Bottoms, which are very soft and plush. Also go very nicely with my white tights. MuscleNation logo. Probably not the best for the with the leopard print. So that's Traxxy Bottoms. Super well fitted. These are comfy. Feel a bit like pyjamas. If anyone knows who likes tracksuits for travelling in, when we can travel again, these are like super comfy and soft. And we're going to match that with men's long sleeve. Should we have the white? We'll go for the white. So this is probably the worst outfit for me ever to wear because I'll end up spilling stuff all over it. So as you can see, we've got MuscleNation long sleeve there. Another brand that we've got on here. I think that's it. So we'll see how this bad boy fits. It's quite thin as well, like the material isn't super thick, so if you wanted to wear this in the summer, it's not going to be an issue. And I'm going to guess this is going to be pretty must fitted, which it is, because, there you go. So I find a lot of stuff for me if I wear sweaters that aren't like tapered, so I can feel that this is tapered here to my back, so it's wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. So you see here it cuts in. If it's not, a lot of stuff tends to hang like a teepee and it makes you look like the Michelin Man, which isn't really what you want. So that is actually pretty bad boy. It's quite a bright colour as well. So I think it matches my hair when it's whiter. So that's the brand new white marl tracksuit. So this comes in a variety of different colours, which we have got all of them. So you've got Latte, as in chocolate latte, I guess. So again, that would probably be a better colour for travelling, which is more stain proof for someone who's slightly retarded like myself. And we've got next up grey. So again, ideal for travel, gym wear, or if you work from home in tracksuits, like someone I know. We've got another pair of grey tracksuit bottoms, and that's it. So that's tracksuit bottoms, that's a full tracksuit set. And we've also got in here is the royal blue raglan hoodie, size XL. So you can see you've got the MuscleNation logo underneath. Nice bright. And we'll try that bad boy on. See how that looks with the white tracksuit bottoms. There we go again. MuscleNation logo, again, same fit as the other sweaters in terms of like it's fitted on my arms, and it also tapered into the waist, so if you're a bigger guy and you've got bigger shoulders, a bigger upper body, it's not super baggy around your midsection, so it makes you look like you actually work out and train. We've got that again, same with the sweaters, there's different variations in terms of colours, so that in terms of the new range of winter clothing, MuscleNation is all available. It doesn't come with a cat, but I'm sure if you ask, I can send you one. If you want to get involved and get your own MuscleNation range, check out the link below. You can use code Charlie for 10% off. The gym wear is also pretty dope in terms of more training vests. If you like leopard print, you get a few comments in the gym, it will help you out with social media, trust me. Then check out the link below and give the MuscleNation stuff a try.